Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be talking about a very fun project that I have just recently found, and that is BIB Meta. This is bibvip.com, and this is just a really cool one. So I'm actually going to be doing a lot of the info dump for you through the white paper of this project, but I'm going to sort of work through, show you the social media, show you a couple of cool things about it. They're also doing an awesome airdrop giveaway, so I want to talk about that. And then we're going to talk about the nitty-gritty info, right? So, just to keep in mind, of course, remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss this kind of thing. So with that being said, take everything that I say with a grain of salt, and don't make any investment just because I talk about a project. Of course, make sure to do your own research before making any type of investment for yourself. So with that being said, let's kind of jump into this. Now, I do have a little picturino right here I wanted to pull up, so be the pioneer now. By the way, great art on this project. That's beside the point, but they've got really great graphic design on the entirety of this. So 25 million BIB tokens, or BIB tokens. Welcome bonus, share among BIB Pioneer users and register now. You can't actually register, but I'll talk to you about registering as well. I'm signed in on my account. And then you've got rewards. So I will have, by the way, I'll have a special little code as well for when you sign up, a referral code, all of that kind of stuff in the description below, but just keep that in mind. So basically it tells you the different rewards you can get, the different amounts, and moving up to a maximum reward of 25,000 BIB, and user must be participating KOL referral code with, I've got a referral code, and then just a couple of the other, necessary musts. I'm not going to go through that to waste time, but we can see right here on the exchange, you can see how things are running here. Obviously, crypto has been doing a good bit better since Ethereum 2.0. At least that's my theory, is that's what's been causing this small bull run at the moment. And yeah, so basically just talking about trusted platform, real-time quotes, professional trading, asset security, and instant response. Those are all quick and easy enough to understand. I just kind of wanted to go over the main page with you and then show you sort of like, you can click in to see it's really like very detailed in what they have. Also, the BIB Meta testnet giveaway, just to mention that. Definitely check out all of these different awesome airdrops. Now, their social media is really well done. I just want to quickly go through these to sort of show you. Got a great Medium looking awesome here on LinkedIn. The BIB exchange on Twitter is doing extremely well as well, with also a lot of good like links, figuring out, download the app right here as well, that kind of thing. And again, it's a really dynamic project. I'm very impressed by this one. It's one that, at the very least, sign up with your referral link to get the airdrop is kind of all I'm saying. And again, not financial advice, just saying. The BIB token IDO, the new coin that will promise 100 times more profit. Of course, not financial advice. Basically, this is just a really great article discussing this. And despite the recent downturn, the new companies that are innovating NFT and DAOs, and they really are doing that, and it could soon be worth a lot more, is basically what they're saying, talking about the pre-sale, everything. So definitely I recommend going through this article if you're interested in it. Now, signing up is quick and easy. You can do it through mobile or email, which is what I did. You'll see that you'll have a referral code as well. I do have the referral code 1 capital UV lowercase t 1 O. And again, all this should be in the description for you. And basically, I'm not going to, hold your hand on how to sign up for it. It's how you sign up for everything. You know what I mean? Yeah, either sign up with your email, sign up with, your mobile, make a password, sign in. It's like every other social media that you have used today before watching this. It's like YouTube that you use to watch this, So, and then now I'm actually going to go over a good bit of info, mostly from the white paper, because this is what has the bulk, as a good white paper should, right? A bulk of the information that I'm interested in talking about. Well, it's talking about what is Web3. Well, Web3 is defined as a web that transforms the internet itself into a pantheon of databases, cross-browser and hyperbrowser content delivery, and requesting mechanisms along with artificial intelligence technologies, the semantics web, the geographically mapped web, websites built using 3D technology, and even virtual worlds or cyber principalities. Understanding from a technical perspective, by all accounts, Web 1.0 is read-only, Web 2.0 is read and write, Web 3 represents read-write with health information, whereas it is deemed from the perspective of the cryptocurrency market, Web3 acts as an ecosystem that compromises a series of projects such as DeFi, NFT, GameFi, etc. More precisely, users are able to set foot in a Web3 by participating in these projects and seizing revenue opportunities from it. Now, I wanted to give you that little rundown there as well, because it does give you a great idea. I talk about Web3 all the time. What does it mean? Well, that's what it means, and this project has really broken it down very well for the general audience, I believe. Web3's lack of traffic and funding portals, these are the market pain points, right? The security issues and privacy issues, and ecological construction issues, and current market gap between Web3 projects and exchanges. And these are just ways that they're acknowledging that there are market issue points and how they're going to be going about fixing them, right? So it's just talking about how things aren't perfect. What are your solutions? Right here are their solutions, which I love that. Any good company needs to acknowledge the issues in the market and provide a solution. That's what a company does. A company is someone being paid to provide a solution. For example, I was a mover for a very long time. I worked at a moving company, moving people's furniture. Well, anyone can be a mover. You can move your own stuff, but those people needed a solution. They had heavy things. They didn't want to do it, so they hired a mover. And one combination of Web3 and exchange to solve the problems of traffic and capital. 2, code audit and dedicated team to protect asset security. 3, Web3's natural advantage in user privacy and protection. 4, convergence of NFT, DeFi, and GameFi to address ecological construction. And 5, combination of Web3 and centralized trading platform to fill the current market gap. Now, the overview to BIB Meta. BIB builds the BIB Meta Web3 ecosystem based on its own technological advances in line with principles of openness and fairness. It's designed to provide users with an astonishing ecological experience with DeFi, NFT, GameFi, and so on. In order to achieve its goal, integration of NFT sale, trading fusion, match prediction, card collection, community nodes, and virtual sports games are carried out to broaden the blockchain world. With aspirations, BIB works dedicatedly to be a terminus for users to set sail on their voyage of Web3. What are their core strengths? BIB Meta will be the world's first exchange with Web3 ecosystem that is empowered by BIB token and vice versa. Talking about the issuance of it. So basically, you can read all these nitty-gritty numbers, but I want to get into the percentages, right? So liquidity management, 3%, absolutely great. Project team development, 15%, very fair. Any good company spends about 25% on their employees, but that is also team development. Business, let's see, IDO and IEO, 2%, great. Private funding, 15, absolutely fair. Marketing operations, 9, that's great. The more in marketing, the better. Some companies are only doing like 4 to 5%. 9%'s right where it's at. My rule of thumb, I like 10% personally. So 9% is absolutely close enough because they're also spending good amounts in their development. Remember, a lot of people do marketing and development as the same thing, and they're not the same thing. But the company will put it in there and be like, well, marketing and development. Well, yeah, but those are separate and you'll only give a small percentage. So keep in mind that's marketing operations, 9, NFT and community node reward, 16, treasury and ecosystem construction, 25, business and intellectual property collab, 15. Those are all absolutely fair percentages. You can read the broken down numbers if you'd like. I just wanted to kind of get into the percentages. Launch a BIB Meta NFT. So this is just all the additional launch notes. The ecological functions. Well, in order to enrich the ecosystem, BIB Meta works with the BIB exchange to create a Web3 ecosystem and provides two-way empowerment, among which the BIB exchange provides various ecological functions, such as discounts in regard to trading fee, IEO, whitelist, and token individuals to empower BIB Meta. On the other hand, BIB Meta supports the BIB exchange through a diversity of projects such as community nodes, NFT, GameFi, etc., which is a really smart way to do it, to have so many different projects to, exchange basically, to support each other, And then this just goes through the different eco-functional segments of BIB token, so minting NFT through token burning, empowerment of value and liquidity in NFT, and then BUSD as token dividends, delegation of BIB to nodes for staking, and then match predictions and other GameFi. And then eco-functional segments of the NFT, so core advantages of NFT, how do you get them, NFT staking, a good bit of just explaining the project in detail to you. Then the technological competitive advantages, just talking about those, high performance, and stability, multiple security measures, decentralized prophecy, machine system, and distributed storage of metadata. You've got a great roadmap here. I'm kind of wrapping this up without trying to make it seem too long. Strategic investments, partnership, they talk about it, give you the risk warning and the disclaimer. I really like this project. I really appreciate their open and honesty, because that's so lacking in a lot of things, I feel like, these days. So I just thought this was a cool one, my friends. As always, thank you so much for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. Today I talked about BIB, and I'll see you in the next one.